Okay, so we are streaming live. So, namaste, good evening, welcome everyone. And finally, ऐसे हम कुछ 2 महीने से इस फेस्टिवल के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और आज हम ओपन कर रहे हैं फेस्टिवल, तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है और अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबको देखकर। और आई थिंक मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा इंतजार कर रही थी कि ओ कब ये दिन आएगा। सो आज जब आ गया तो एक्चुअली ऐसे पूरा दिन ऐसे बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बीत गया तो पता भी नहीं चला, बट अभी लग रहा है ओ वाओ वी आर एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग द फेस्टिवल। सो वेलकम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू Aham Celebrating Self, and I'm really looking forward to this one full week of really, a lot of self care and self love, and just gathering a lot of tools from different facilitators, uh, and looking forward to all the sessions. तो हमने जो लोग हमारे साथ अभी पूरे दो महीने से जुड़े हुए हैं तो उनको ऑफ कोर्स पता होगा कि द धारावी ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट ने हमारे लिए एक सॉन्ग क्रिएट किया था और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है वो गाना। तो हम उससे शुरू करना चाहेंगे। तो शिवानी, वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर द स्क्रीन एंड like begin the festival with this amazing song that these beautiful souls have created. वॉल्यूम नहीं आ रहा है, शेयर ऑडियो भी शेयर करना पड़ेगा।
अभी है ऑडिबल?
नहीं, स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा, स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर।
सॉरी।
उसके बाद व्हेन यू ये शेयरिंग साउंड कर दिया, रुक जाओ।
Now?
Yes.
ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, बेपरवाह सुनूं खुद की ना सुनूं मैं जमाने की, ध्यान रखूं खुद का ये मेरी ही तो जिंदगी, क्यों उदास आखिर में साथी देंगे ये हादसे, चढ़ी नहीं जाती सीढ़ी जेब में रख के हाथी,
साथी कोई न तो किस पे है निर्भर, जब तक ये जिंदगी है जंग कैसे टिकेगा इधर, तो खुद से भी तो लड़ता भी तो बनेगा निडर, जब तेरा डर ही नहीं बोलेगा तो किसकी है फिक्र।
क्या हुआ ऐसा जो अब ठीक नहीं हो पाएगा, क्या चले गया जो अब लौट के नहीं आएगा, कदम बढ़ाए तूने लक्ष्य की जो और की मेहनत तूने जब तो ये खौफ क्यों सताएगा,
तू ढूंढ अपनी चाह तो मिल जाएगी राह, तुझे खुद में खुद को खोज तो मिल जाएगी चाह, तुझे किसका चाहिए साथ जब खुद ही अपने साथ तू है, जिस दिन खुद को जाना पूरी दुनिया जानेगी कौन तू है।
ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब,
धड़कते इस दिल को काबू में लाना है, हाथ रख के इस पे इसे प्यार से समझाना है, दर्द की नदियों में डूबने वाली उस कश्ती को हमें नया रास्ता दिखाना है,
पाना है तुझे अपनी मंजिल जरा ध्यान दे, पंख खोलकर खुशी से तो उड़ आसमान में, कश्ती जिंदगी की डूबती नहीं भाई लहरों से, बनकर उजाला तो चीरती नंदे,
तू ही तेरा यार तू ही तेरा प्यार, फिर क्यों ढूंढे खुशी दूसरों से मांग कर, खुद को तू मिल खुद को तू पहचान, तू है इस ब्रह्मांड में सबसे बलवान,
तेरी ही जिंदगी तू ही तो मालिक है, तेरी इस क्यारी का तू ही तो माली है, फूल खिल ही जाएगा अंधेरे जीवन में प्रकाश आएगा।
ठीक ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब, तू डर से न भागना, ठीक है सब, कर खुद का तू सामना, ठीक है सब, तू हिम्मत न हारना, ठीक है सब, 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 ठीक है सब.
Hi everyone, I am Parul from the Dharavi Dream Project and ये मेरा पहला प्रोजेक्ट था एंड क्योंकि हमारा पूरा क्रू नहीं है अभी यहाँ पे तो उन सब की तरफ से भी थैंक यू और अबाउट हमारी जर्नी, हमारे जो प्रोसेस पूरा रहा है सॉन्ग बनाने का, बहुत इट वाज वेरी अमेजिंग एंड मतलब हमें मुझे अभी भी याद है हमें जब पहली बार बताया गया था इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में तो आई वाज वेरी नर्वस एंड बट आई वाज एक्साइटेड एज वेल क्योंकि मतलब मुझे डर था कि मतलब होगा, सिलेक्ट होंगे कि नहीं होंगे। और हमारे पास सबसे पहले एक प्रोसीजर था कि हमें सबसे पहले सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर से गुजरना था। हमें अपने वर्सेस रिकॉर्ड करके भेजने थे, हमें जिस टॉपिक पे लिखने के लिए बोला था। तो आई वाज नॉट श्योर कि मुझे सिलेक्ट किया जाएगा बट समा हो गया। और उसमें एक चीज़ हमें फॉलो करनी होती है कि हमें जिस प्रोसेस में बोला जाता है हमें उसी में करके देना होता है। तो मेरे से ये गलती हो गई थी कि मैंने बीट पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं करा था बट समहाउ आई गॉट लकी और मुझे सिलेक्ट कर लिया गया बिकॉज मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आया। तो पर ऐसा नहीं होता है, हमें सब अकॉर्डिंगली करना होता है। और आई रिमेम्बर कि हमें से 8 लोग जब सिलेक्ट हुए थे तो हमारी पूरी टीम बनी थी और हम सब ने वहाँ पे बॉन्डिंग स्टार्ट की थी और हम बहुत सारे जूम कॉल्स करते थे। हमने पूरा मतलब लिरिक्स के लिए हमने पूरा ऐसे रिसर्च किया था, बैठ के साथ में जूम कॉल पे पूरे सेशंस रखे थे और फिर साथ में बैठ के हमने फाइनली लिरिक्स लिखी थी। ऐसा भी होता था कि हमें कई बार राइटर ब्लॉक्स आते थे, समझ नहीं आता था कि अब क्या लिखे और इट समहाउ सबने मैनेज कर लिया साथ में। और इससे हमने ये भी सीखा है कि हमें साथ में कैसे काम करना होता है और हमने पूरा टीम वर्क इससे सीखा है। एंड हमने ये भी सीखा है कि कैसे कम टाइम में हमें वर्कलोड हैंडल करना होता है। और हमें इस मतलब ये पूरा एक एक्सपीरियंस था हमारे लिए भी क्योंकि हमें बहुत स्ट्रेस वगैरह हो जाती थी कि टाइम से काम होगा या नहीं होगा और ऐसे लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दे के हमारा भी सबका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट हुआ है। तो मतलब experience was like amazing and so over to Royal now.
Hello everyone, I am Royal from the Dharavi Dream Project. This was very great opportunity for us to work with Movement Project and I am very glad कि हमें मौका मिला ये एंथम बनाने का। हमने इसमें सबसे पहले मुझे याद है कि जब शुभम मैम के साथ हमारा फर्स्ट जूम कॉल हुआ था, हमने मैं टॉपिक के ऊपर फ्री स्टाइल भी किया था और इस प्रोजेक्ट को करते करते हम सभी के साथ बहुत अप डाउन सिचुएशंस आई है। जब हम सिचुएशंस हमारे डाउन करती है तो हम कभी ऐसा बहुत सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स भी आए जब हम फ्रस्ट्रेट और पैनिक भी फील कर रहे थे, बट इन द एंड ऑफ द डे हमने खुद से सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ बोली है, ठीक है सब। और फाइनली जब इतनी सारी अप डाउन सिचुएशंस के बाद हमने ये एंथम पूरा बनाया और जब ये गाना रिलीज होने वाला था हम सब बहुत एक्साइटेड भी थे। और मैं गाना खुद सुन लेता हूँ और खुद से भी यही कहता हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है सब, ठीक है सब। तो ये हमको बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। थैंक यू।
And since हमने ये पूरी स्पेस ओपन करी है तो if anyone else wants to share their story या experience तो please, या फिर if you want to ask any questions then please do.
तो मैं बस like before anyone else shares anything, Dolly, I don't know, like मैं फिर से ऐसे तुम्हारे ऊपर वो कर रही हूँ, but it would be really lovely to hear from you as well, that how has your journey been with, और मैं मतलब पैरल और रॉयल दोनों की शेयरिंग में बहुत सारे इमोशंस निकल के आए, लाइक यू नो इट वाज नॉट ओनली कि अच्छा खुश है और ये है वो है, बट देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ पैनिक एंड अनरेस्ट था, बहुत सारे ऐसे टीम वर्क किया और कितने सारे इमोशंस के साथ लाइक यू नो हम जूझ रहे थे. तो if you can also share a bit about that. And
yes, तो सबसे पहले सबको नमस्ते and a big hello from the Dharavi Dream Project. हमारे लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ही स्पेशल, द मूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. द रीज़न बीइंग कि मेंटल हेल्थ मैटर्स ये सब मतलब काफ़ी लोग बोलते रहते हैं, बट जब ये एग्जीक्यूशन पे आता है so it there are like lot of things that you know everybody goes through. For the Dharavi Dream Project Talent, like Parul said, ये हमारा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था. तो उस प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसे हुआ था कि इवन टू बॉन्ड you know to have a bond between me and the students and especially students who are not physically in touch with each other, but हम लोग काफ़ी Zoom पे ये virtually we are connected. तो जब ये प्रोजेक्ट आया तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरे लिए भी और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी कि हम कनेक्ट कर पाए, और इससे हमें ये भी पता चलेगा कि मतलब हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, हमें कितना अवेयरनेस है. सो आई थिंक ओवरऑल इट वाज रियली गुड. बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स हुए. इसमें मेंटल स्ट्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था बिकॉज सब लिरिक्स लिख रहे हैं, गाने के बारे में रिसर्च भी कर रहे हैं, और टाइमलाइंस भी जो थे वो हमने काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट रखे थे कि हमें ना लाइक इस टाइमलाइंस के दौरान हमें सबमिट करना है और हमें सबके लिरिक्स सुनने हैं. बट इम्पॉर्टेंट ये था कि क्या हम वो मैसेज दे पा रहे. तो उसके लिए हमारे जो एक टीचर है MC हीम सर, उन्होंने हम सबको काफ़ी गाइड किया. और ये जो ठीक है साहब, ये एक हुक लाइन है. इसे हमारे जॉनर ऑफ म्यूजिक में हुक लाइन बोलते हैं कि जो बहुत जल्दी रजिस्टर हो जाए और वो हुक लाइन से हम मैसेज दे पाए. तो ठीक है साहब, वो उसका जो प्रोसेस था वो ऐसे आया था कि काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने ये ट्रैक लिखा है उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, इन द सेंस कि स्ट्रेस बहुत हो रहा था और थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट भी हो रहा था कि कुछ आ नहीं रहा है दिमाग में, हम क्या लिखे, क्या हुक लाइन होना चाहिए, क्या हम वो मैसेज दे पाएंगे. तो ये सारे काफ़ी अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो रहे थे. और उस टाइम पर बस ये वाली मैसेज एक लाइन आई अपने आप को बताने के लिए कि ठीक है सब. तो जैसे ये आया तो हमें लगा कि हाँ मतलब इतने सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं हम सबकी लाइफ में, और ऐसे नहीं है कि बहुत ऐसे बड़े चैलेंजेस होते हैं, इनफैक्ट छोटे छोटे चैलेंजेस भी होते हैं. जैसे कि आज मेरा मन नहीं करा खाना खाने का, वो एक अलग ही स्ट्रेस है कि मुझे भूख ही नहीं लग रही. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम गिव अप ही कर दें कि ठीक है मतलब कुछ बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. आई थिंक हर एक प्रॉब्लम का आंसर हमने तो ढूंढ लिया है. द धारावी ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट में मूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट के साथ मिलकर हमने तो ढूंढ लिया है. दैट इज ठीक है सब. सो दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस इज एक्चुअली ओपनड अप our mindset, our acceptance level towards all the different challenges in life, be it small, be it big. And the best part is we all, the students at the school have come together. And I personally got to know that, some students went through a creative block hota hai. So some of them went through that writer's block. Somebody was having pressure from family, what are they doing, like why music and all of that. But I still feel that it worked really well for each one of us. And like Parul said, Royal said, when we get stuck, we just go back to this song, and our song inspires our solely. So that's very, very commendable, like for our individual personal growth. And I'm again very grateful, for getting this platform to share this message with everyone. Because ठीक है सब.
डॉली ये सेम आई थिंक हमारी पूरी टीम के लिए भी था कि हाँ मतलब ये कुछ भी होता था, वी यूज्ड टू फील सो स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. मतलब ये 2 महीने तो बहुत like the Dharavi Dream Project, the movement project also, everyone was struggling and going through so many different kinds of emotions. तो हमारा भी हो गया था कि हाँ बस ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है सब, मतलब ऐसे बहुत बार होता था कि बस अच्छा ये गाना सुन लो एंड एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही मेजर शिफ्ट आ जाता था एनर्जी में. तो थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर co-creating this beautiful space with us, and the Dharavi Team project has literally been there with us since the beginning, and it means a lot. So thank you so much. और आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब ऐसे मैं फिर से इमोशनल हो रही हूँ बहुत ज्यादा. इससे पहले और कुछ बहने लगे, मैं शुरू करती हूँ. तो like let's just begin with a little bit of shaking. So we'll just gently start shaking our hand. And our head, our shoulders, our legs. आपको खड़ा होना है तो खड़े भी हो सकते हैं. And our full body, just move and shake. Also taking care of your body and listening to your body. And slowly closing your movement. धीरे धीरे अपना movement खत्म करेंगे और एक गहरी सांस अंदर लेंगे और इसको धीरे धीरे छोड़ेंगे. और एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लेंगे और इस बार जैसे जैसे उसको छोड़ेंगे वैसे वैसे अपने शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ देंगे, एकदम रिलैक्स कर देंगे. We'll just relax our body, relaxing our forehead, our jaw, our shoulder, our tongue, our stomach, our fingers, our feet. And keeping one hand on your heart. एक हाथ अपने दिल पर रखेंगे और बस अपने दिल की धड़कन को सुनेंगे, महसूस करेंगे. We'll just listen to our heartbeat, just be with it. And we'll take a deep breath in and breathing out. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. और जितने भी लोग हमारे सामने अभी स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं उनके साथ आई कांटेक्ट करना है, उनको देखना है धीरे धीरे करके, एक एक करके. All the names that you can read. And now what we'll do is that we'll open our hands. अपने हाथों को खोलना है और ऐसे खोलना है कि आप अपने स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हमने ऐसे चेन बनाई हुई है, हमने हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है. So we have to just look at each one in front of the screen. ये सब ठीक है और हम सब साथ में हैं. And putting your hands up and making connection with the person who's up, जो आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर है उनके साथ कनेक्शन बनाएंगे. Now making connection with everyone and sprinkling a lot of love. And now giving yourself a big tight hug, patting yourself, शाबाशी देंगे अपने आप को, बहुत सारा प्यार देंगे. तो अभी ना एक बहुत सिंपल सा छोटा सा डांस करेंगे हम सब साथ मिलके. बहुत आसान से स्टेप है लेकिन उसमें बस थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट ये है कि उस गाने का जो स्पीड है ना वो धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ता जाएगा। हाँ, तो जैसे जैसे वो बढ़ता जाएगा आप लोग घबराइएगा मत, फिर जो भी मन करेगा वो कर लीजिएगा, लेकिन हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम शुरू साथ में करें, ठीक है? तो मैं एक्चुअली मुझे भी याद करना पड़ेगा स्टेप तो मैं एक बार म्यूजिक सुन लेती हूँ और तो अभी क्या करना है हमें कि अपनी, और ये पूरा ऐसे बस ऐसे फेस के थ्रू हमें डांस करना है, ठीक है? तो हमें क्या करना है, अपनी जीभ बाहर निकालनी है। तो 1 2 3 4, ठीक है? तो पहले राइट किया या जो भी जिस भी साइड, पहले एक साइड किया, दूसरी साइड किया, फिर सामने किया, ठीक है? उसके बाद फिर अपना कान बहुत ऐसे प्यार से खींचना है, जोर से मत खींचेगा। फिर दूसरा कान खींचना है और फिर ऐसे करना है, ठीक है? तो ये 2 स्टेप्स हैं, फिर से करेंगे। फिर कान को खींचना है, दूसरे कान को खींचना है, और ठीक है, ये आसान है, इतना आ गया सबको? ओके। उसके बाद से किसी भी एक साइड देखना है, राइट साइड, लेफ्ट साइड, किसी भी एक साइड देखना है हमें, और फिर 1 2 3 धीरे धीरे करके अपनी गर्दन ऊपर करनी है, ठीक है? तो किसी भी एक साइड देखा, फिर 1 2 3, फिर दूसरी साइड देखा, 1 2 3, फिर सामने देखा, 1 2 3, और फिर अपने हाथ ऊपर करने हैं, और 1 2 3, ठीक है? ये सेकंड पार्ट एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं। हाँ, तो पहले किसी भी एक साइड हम जाएंगे, अपनी गर्दन को मोड़ेंगे, एंड 1 2 3, नेक्स्ट साइड 1 2 3, सामने 1 2 3, और हाथ ऊपर 1 2 3, ठीक है? म्यूजिक पे करते हैं, बहुत आसान है। तो पहले तो क्योंकि बहुत धीरे धीरे है, तो हम सब साथ में करते करते सीख जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो मैं बस अब म्यूजिक शेयर कर देती हूँ, और अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आपको लग रहा है क्या हो रहा है, तो आपका जो मन करेगा आप लोग वो कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो यू कैन लिटरली डू व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक डूइंग, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू डू द स्टेप्स दैट everyone's doing, so you can do whatever you feel like doing. यू सो मच। एक गहरी सांस अंदर लेते हैं और एक आवाज के साथ बाहर निकालेंगे। हाँ, आप कोई भी आवाज यूज कर सकते हैं। एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लेंगे। हाँ, एक बार और। हाँ, और फिर से अपने दिल पर हाथ रखेंगे और बस उसके साथ समय बिताएंगे। We'll just be with it. और बहुत धीरे से उसको बोल देंगे ठीक है सब। So whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. और हाँ, तो मुझे बोला गया है कि मुझे अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात करना है। आई हैव नो क्लू मैं क्या बोलूं, कहाँ से शेयर करूं, कहाँ खत्म करूं। एंड आई हैड थॉट दैट आई विल राइट समथिंग एंड सो दैट आई एम लाइक वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड एंड मैं ज्यादा फैलूं नहीं, लेकिन अब मुझे एड लिप भी करना पड़ेगा। And this is an internal joke which is going on here anyhow. So I will just, मैं बहुत जल्दी बस आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि और मैंने सोचा था शायद मैं इमोशनल नहीं होंगी, लेकिन हाँ, आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग सो हैप्पी टुडे। एंड I never imagined कि ये पूरी जर्नी इतनी ऐसे बड़ी और खूबसूरत हो जाएगी। और so since the past 4-5 years, of course, a lot of focus has been on self. अपने ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे ध्यान रखा है। और and Damini is here, and Damini, please, I would really like you to add in this journey because it wouldn't have been possible without you. So yeah, like in the past 4-5 years, मेरा पूरा रिश्ता मेरे साथ बहुत बदल गया है। और एक समय था जब मैं कितनी जरूरी हूँ और मुझे अपने आप से प्यार करना है, मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना है, वो मैंने कभी भी नहीं किया। और since the past 5 years, of course, that journey started, and since then literally there has not been कि वो कहते हैं ना पीछे मुड़ के कभी भी नहीं देखा उसके बाद से। And it started with the whole this Pandora's box, which is called alternative forms of therapy. मुझे कभी भी नहीं पता था इन सब चीजों के बारे में, और मुझे नहीं पता था ऐसी इतनी खूबसूरत एक दुनिया और भी है। So yeah, like that my journey started with body movement and art, and all of these art forms have really helped me. So वहां से मेरा journey शुरू हुआ, and since then I've just been exploring different art forms, and be it writing, be it storytelling, be it body movement, be it music, sound, like literally anything and everything. And now the work that the Movement Project has been doing, it's not only dance movement therapy, but it's literally everything. तो उसमें हम हर एक modality का use करते हैं, और यही journey रही है हमारी। And because uh, it has worked so beautifully for me. That's why I had this very deep need somewhere of sharing it with everyone. uh, और आई थिंक वहीं से ये जर्नी शुरू हुई कि ओके लेट्स जस्ट लाइक वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे आ रहा है एंड लेट्स जस्ट डू समथिंग एंड so around me and in my own house I saw that there's so much of struggle and kitna challenging ho raha hai. So I was like ki in my most difficult time of my life, like something as simple as body movement or sound or just sitting in silence had helped me so much. और मुझे लगा कि शायद मतलब ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो हमें पता भी हैं लेकिन फिर भी नहीं पता होती हैं. तो वहीं से शायद ये पूरी इच्छा अंदर से जागी कि यार ये बाकी सबके साथ शेयर करना है, सबको बताना है, सबको सब तक पहुंचाना है. तो वहां से वो ऐसे एक बीज बोया अहम का. उस समय अहम भी नहीं था वो उस समय क्या था नहीं पता, लेकिन हाँ वो बीज बो दिया था. और मुझे याद है बहुत ऐसे randomly I had a conversation with so many different people and everybody was like हाँ just go ahead with it. I remember having a conversation with Damini. Then I was randomly generally like talking to Falguni और मैं उसके साथ शेयर करी थी और फाल्गुनी ने बिना कुछ सोचे बोला कि हाँ मैं तो हूँ. And I was like oh मतलब ये क्या हो गया. मतलब I had no intention कि हाँ मैं उससे बात करूँ और उसको कुछ प्लान करूँ, but it just happened. And that's how शिवानी से एक दिन बात करी थी. कल्पेश ऑलरेडी वॉज विद द मूवमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे लोग जुड़ते गए और बस मतलब आज हम आप सबके साथ यहाँ पर हैं और ये शेयर कर रहे हैं. और फाइनली वो दिन आ गया है जहाँ पे हम ये फेस्टिवल लाइक शुरू कर रहे हैं. और उसी जर्नी में जानखना और तन्वी बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं और मतलब मैं वैसे बोलूं तो बहुत सीनियर है वो, लेकिन उनके साथ इतना ज्यादा याराना है कि मतलब वो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ मतलब वो मेरे ही है और मैं उनको जो बोलूंगी वो तो मतलब मुझे सोचना भी नहीं है. तो वहीं से तन्वी और जानखना जुड़े और उनके साथ भी ऐसे कुछ बहुत प्लानिंग नहीं की थी, लेकिन बस शेयर किया था कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ सोच रही हूँ. एंड दे वर जस्ट देयर एंड दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट कीप शेयरिंग. अच्छा हाँ ये भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं, ये भी है, वो भी है. एंड ऑर्गेनिकली दे जस्ट बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. So and I'm just so excited today that I think for the first time me, Zankhna and Tanvi, we are doing something together and it really means a lot. So thank you so much for always being there and showing up whenever I've just wanted or needed someone. So thank you. And I think that's it from me. मैं शायद वरना रोती रहूंगी. So Tanvi, over to you now.
Very timely passing over. You made us all emotional, Shubham. So I think even I need a moment. So I think let's just take a moment to breathe. Just itna emotional, itna sundar sharing, Shubham, of your journey. I need time to just assimilate it. So I need a moment. So this is something जो मैंने शुभम को बहुत बार बोला है और मुझे लगता है मैं जितनी बार बोलती हूँ उतनी बार कम ही बोलती हूँ. There is something so magical about her energy that बस लोग खिंच जाते हैं, लोग खिंचे चले आते हैं towards her. So it's and हम लोग पता नहीं कब से प्लान कर रहे थे to do something together and here we are without any effort, without any planning as such. शुभम is like अच्छा planning. 2 महीने से हम क्या कर रहे हैं? But it's just still somehow so organically flowed and इतना सुंदर जगह अपने आप create हो जाता है and all of it I think is to do with different selves coming together, just these special qualities that you bring out in people, Shubham. So really, thank you for being you, and thank you for creating these spaces for everyone. We need so many more people like you in this world. Uh, so, moving into the topic of the self and ahem, and what is ahem, what is self. I want to start with a little story. Uh, Even Dolly spoke about this, and in the song that Dharavi project has made, इतने सारे references हैं इस चीज़ पे. खुद को तू मिल, खुद से पहचान ले. There are so many aspects of the self which जो हमको ढूंढने, हमको परखने हैं, हमें ये, और एक ongoing journey है. और ये अहम फेस्टिवल और इस फेस्टिवल में जुड़ना, आई थिंक हम सबके लिए एक तरह से एक पहला स्टेप है, या फिर एक रिमाइंडर है टू ऑनर आवर सेल्व्स, टू टेक दैट मोमेंट टू पॉज एंड लुक विद इन आवर सेल्व्स. तो आजकल ये मेरी काफ़ी फेवरेट स्टोरी है. मैं पिछले हफ्ते मेरे ख्याल से 3 लोगों को सुना चुकी हूँ. सो आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर दिस स्टोरी विद एवरी वन. इट्स अबाउट अ मैन हु हैज़ अ वाइफ, हैज़ चिल्ड्रन. एक काफ़ी साधारण आम जिंदगी वो जीते हैं. बस ये है कि ही इज़ नॉट अटैच्ड टू एनीथिंग. वो हर चीज़ से एकदम डिटैच्ड, हर चीज़, कोई भी चीज़ उनको अफेक्ट नहीं करती है. एकदम खुश अपने में. ऑफिस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, काम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एकदम वो शांत, ब्लिस, जेन, हैप्पी, डिटैच्ड. किसी चीज़ से उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. एक बार घर पहुंचते हैं, पता चलता है कि उनकी वाइफ हैज़ नॉट बिन लॉयल टू हिम. तो भी चलो कोई नहीं, शायद वो बेटर हैं तुम्हारे लिए, तुम उनके साथ रह लो, यही ठीक है तुम्हारे लिए. तभी कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होता. बच्चे आके कहते हैं कि आप कैसे पिता हैं, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ फादर आर यू, यू आर नॉट इवन फाइटिंग फॉर द फैमिली. सो द मैन सेज, मुझे लग रहा है ये शायद बेटर फादर रहेंगे तुम लोगों के लिए, तुम इनको अपना फादर बना लो. सो ही इज़ रियली, किसी भी चीज़ से उनको कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. एंड देन कम्स अ टाइम व्हेन ही डिसाइड्स टू लीव एवरीथिंग एंड ही गोज टू a monastery, and वहाँ पे he is very happy. रोज सुबह उठ के he sits on this rock meditating. It's a Japanese garden. वो रोज सुबह उठ के अपना sand art बनाते हैं, and he is sitting एकदम शांत, happy, really blissed, happy. And वहाँ पे लोग कहते थे कि वो उनको नज़र भी नहीं आते थे, अंदर से इतने empty कि वो, he was invisible. People would not even see him. So obviously nothing was getting to him. And this news reaches जो डीमंस के किंग होते हैं ना, दिस न्यूज़ रीचेज हिम दैट ऐसे एक इंसान है, देयर इज़ अ मॉर्टल हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू रीच प्योर ब्लिस, फाइंड प्योर ट्रूथ. हम तो ऐसा होने देंगे नहीं. सो दिस डीमन कॉल्स हिज 3 लिटिल शातिर डीमंस, क्लैप्स, एंड दीज 3 फेलोज कम, फुफ फुफ फुफ, एंड ही सेज, जाओ पता करके आओ कि वो ऐसा क्या है जो उसकी शांति को भंग करेगा. हमें कुछ तो करना है, अब क्या है वो पता करके आओ. और ये 3, हम तो वही कर रहे हैं. we've been trying, we even sent this person with his wife, we gave him so much trouble at home, we have tried everything but nothing is working. This king is not satisfied. The king says, no, you must go and find. So these poor fellows go on this job to find out. बैठे हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. एक दिन होता है, 2 दिन, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, कुछ नहीं पता चलता. This man, our friend, is sitting meditating, zen. Then one day when he's sitting on his rock meditating, and he's sitting एक पाइन ट्री के नीचे बैठे हैं, शांति में बैठे हुए हैं, सडनली हवा चलती है और पाइन ट्री से एक ट्विग, एक तिनका उड़ के सैंड आर्ट के अंदर गिर जाता है. ये अपनी शांति में बैठे हैं, सडनली ही नोटिसेस एक ट्विग गिरा है. He grunts, very slight grunt. He goes, picks up the twig, throws it away. What happens to the little demons? मिल गया, जो ढूंढ रहे थे मिल गया. क्या किया? Then they started dancing around this man. This man kept getting angry and angry and angry. He became green, let alone being invisible. He became green with anger. And जो सारा उनका detached था, everything came out because of the twig, एक टहनी. So what does that leave us with? What is your twig? What is our twig? And हम अक्सर when we talk about self, when we talk about understanding who we are, we look at the bigger things. बड़ी चीज़ें, हमारे ट्रिगर्स क्या हैं, हमें अपसेट क्या करता है, हमें खुश क्या करता है, बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें. बट एक्चुअली सेल्फ इतनी लेयर्ड चीज़ है. देयर आर सो मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स टू अस दैट इवन अ स्मॉल ट्विग, एक छोटा सा तिनका, एक टहनी, इतने सालों की मेहनत, आई डोंट इवन नो इफ इट्स मेहनत बिकॉज वो इतनी नेचुरली आ रही थी उनको, बट एक ट्विग ने वो हटा दिया. सो सेल्फ की जर्नी और सेल्फ को खोजना, सेल्फ से पहचान करना, सेल्फ को समझना, it's not a one day's job or 1 month's job. It's an ongoing journey. और हम जिस हालात में आजकल हैं, उस हालात में तो बथेरे ट्विग्स हैं, ट्विग्स की कमी ही नहीं है, ट्विग्स ही ट्विग्स हैं. सो टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज इट दैट हमें उस मोमेंट पे क्या सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, and what are the choices that we have to react, and how does that awareness come in, is to be connected with yourself, is to know yourself. हमारा फिजिकल बॉडी है, हमारा मेंटल बॉडी है, हमारा इमोशनल बॉडी है, हमारा स्पिरिचुअल बॉडी है, हमारा सोशल बॉडी है, और ये जो तिनका है ये किसी भी बॉडी में इफेक्ट हो सकता है. सो व्हाट इज दैट अवेयरनेस ऑफ सेल्फ दैट वी वांट? So take a moment and think, what are your twigs? आपको क्या चीज़ें हैं छोटी छोटी जो कई बार हमें इफ़ेक्ट कर जाती हैं, जिनको हम अक्सर नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं कि ये कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, मेरी चाय पड़ी पड़ी ठंडी हो गई है, ओह दैट कांट अपसेट मी. इट कैन अपसेट यू. What are the twigs that we all live with? Take a moment to think, and if you want to share, just to reflect, to pause, to take that breath, to know क्या हो रहा है मुझे, क्यों हो रहा है मुझे. इस मोमेंट पे, इस मौके पे कोई और तरीका है मुझे रिस्पॉन्ड करने का? Can you hear everyone? मेरा इंटरनेट में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया. Yeah, okay. So just connecting with self and knowing the different parts of ourself. And that's why when Shubham suggested the topic ahem, we can never get tired of it, we can never get bored of it. It can never be कि अरे बहुत कर चुके हैं हम सेल्फ पे काम, अब और नहीं. ये ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता. This is always a live topic. And the beauty of this festival and this group of people जो साथ में आ रहे हैं, कि इतनी चॉइसेस हैं अपने तक पहुंचने के लिए. इतना एक बुफे है, चाहे हम यहाँ से जाएं, यहाँ से जाएं, यहाँ से जाएं, यहाँ से जाएं, पहुंचेंगे हम वही खुद तक. पर इतनी चॉइसेस हैं क्योंकि हम सब इतने यूनिक हैं, तो वहाँ तक खुद तक पहुंचने के रास्ते भी यूनिक होने चाहिए. किसी को वो खुशी, किसी को वो कनेक्शन डांसिंग से मिलता है, किसी को वो कनेक्शन गार्डनिंग से मिलता है, किसी को वो कनेक्शन आर्ट से मिलता है. सो विद दिस I want to open the possibilities of finding ways to reaching that same destination, which is yourself. Find the way which is right for you. Find the way which is light for you. But it will take you to where you need to be, want to be. So with that, Shubham, can we share all the beautiful collection of the sessions that we've lined up?
I will share. Can you all hear me? So before that, Damini, would you like to share, and then I will just take over from there.
Yes, I would like to take 2 minutes out of this beautiful thing. I'm going to switch on my video. I'm going to try to do that, but I have some technical issues right now. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm still planning my session, which is there in an hour from now. So, but I just wanted to not be selfish and see the faces, and also wanted to show my face. However much is visible, there's some technical issue in the camera, which I will resolve by 7 o'clock. But before I head out, I just wanted to come and physically, I mean, this is our physical new normal, physically congratulate the movement project, which is so strange to say because it feels like I'm congratulating myself. but I think that's the beauty of just how we function here. Like right from the very beginning, I know that we have had a lot of clarity on how much someone can find space into or even out of the movement project, and I think that is what is so beautiful. We've had interns who aren't even there with us anymore, but they still feel that connection. And Shubham is so connected to this journey. She's taking not just herself but to the company to such great heights. And these matters where there aren't enough registrations for this session, that's really in the material realm of the world, and of course we live in this realm, but the beauty is that the self is beyond that realm, so that's why this work keeps multiplying. And multiplication doesn't necessarily have to be visible or physical or material, so there is a multiplication in yourself that's happening. I think that in itself is the currency of self-work. So if you are multiplying in any way, if you are adding in any way, even if certain things get subtracted in any way, I don't know why I'm being so mathematical, but if that is happening, then you're moving forward and you're going somewhere deeper with yourself. And so yeah, apart from congratulating, I also want to take the opportunity to thank everyone who's been such holding our hands so strongly, like people who are here today, who even couldn't be here today, who have been part of our journey in the past. Every session where we've showed up and we've had lesser number of participants than ourselves, right from those days of our journey to this day of our journey where we are live, and there are so many people with us and with themselves. Actually, that's what I want to say, who are there with themselves. That's the most beautiful part. It's not in us that you are investing your trust in, it's actually in yourself. And we are just channels. We are really just channels. All of us facilitators who might step into the sessions, and Shubham will share that now, we aren't doing anything. We are really just a channel, and you found your way to yourself through us. So that's all. Thank you, Shubham.
पहली बार मैं और दामिनी ऐसे किसी लाइव स्पेस में से साथ में आए जूम पर तो बहुत अजीब लगा मुझे.
I know. Thank you, Shubham. I'm going to have to take leave in a while so that I can plan for my session in an hour. But carry on.
Yes, please. All the best. And I will quickly share the screen with all of you.
Yeah.
So that I can share with you कि क्या sessions हो रहे हैं. Okay. So now, like how I was sharing in the beginning, that my whole journey has been of exploring and experimenting with different kinds of art forms and modalities. So movement, art, mindfulness. So har ek din, so basically it's a 5-day festival where every day we are offering different kinds of sessions. I will just quickly run you through this. So Infinity is the workshop which is Damini taking, which is sexual acceptance through body movement. Then today, so Damini के workshop के लिए registrations बंद हो गए हैं, लेकिन जो next workshop parallelly चल रहा है वो Frederick का है, which is a very beautiful experience, and people who still want to be a part of it, there's place, and you can just on the spot just register, and you can be a part of it at 7 o'clock. So Frederick is doing another session where the modality is basically mindfulness. Or then day 2, I just saw Sharmila here. Sharmila, if you're here, would you like to talk about your session? But anyhow, so Sharmila is doing dot art, which is a very, meditative process where you will just connect with yourself, and that's through art. तो ये हो रहा है. Then कल एक और workshop हो रहा है जो कि juggling है. Juggling, maybe we are also, so all these tools somewhere are related to, connecting with our own selves. And these are basically tools. So हर एक वर्कशॉप में you will get tools which, like, you know, which you can just take back home and practice and, you know, in your day-to-day life. तो juggling हो रहा है, और फिर day 3 में there's a beautiful conversation happening with, you know, 5 different modalities. और उसमें बेसिकली हम इन्हीं सब चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि कैसे ये सारी, लाइक, यू नो, बीट थिएटर, बीट माइंडफुलनेस, बीट art or body movement, all of these, how they really, you know, help us connect with our own selves. So that's what the whole conversation is around. Then the session is another session which is very interesting is Aham Sambandh, jahan pe hum through body movement, breath work, and some other spiritual practices, we are going to, you know, Ashish and Divya are going to hold space for us, where we will also try and see कि हम कितना बाहर हैं और उतना ही हम अंदर हैं. So like, you know, how अगर एक पेड़ है तो वो पेड़ जितना हमें बाहर दिखता है, उसके जो roots होते हैं वो उतने ही नीचे गहरे होते हैं. So this workshop somewhere is around that. Then we have Let's Be Playful to Be Mindful, which is an interplay workshop where through playful games, playful tools, we'll again, like, you know, these are tools which you can take back home and work with yourself, and you can also, you know, make them a part of your life. Then we have meditative art, where there'll be stone art, there's Zen tangling, there'll be mandala art. So different art forms combined together is a workshop which is called meditative art. We have sound play, where through sound we are going to connect with ourselves. That how general, like, you know, everywhere you will see that there are sounds. चाहे वो गाड़ी चल रही है तो उसमें साउंड है, कहीं कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है तो उसमें साउंड है, हम अगर बैठे हुए हैं, स्थिर बैठे हुए हैं, तब भी उसमें कुछ साउंड है. तो उसके अराउंड ये वर्कशॉप है, एक्सप्लोरिंग डे टू डे डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ साउंड्स एंड, लाइक, यू नो, हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट विद आवरसेल्व्स. Then we have an expressive arts therapy, expressive arts session, where Megha is going to take us through a journey where she'll be using body movement, writing, and art. तो ये तीनों चीजें मिलाकर एक सेशन है. And then Friday is the last day, where we have Silvana, who's doing a pure, you know, movement based session. तो जिसको भी ऐसे डांस करने में बहुत मजा आता है वो जुड़ सकते हैं हमारे साथ. और we have Sandy, who's doing mindfulness. We have Linny, who's doing a applied theater workshop, where, you know, she's going to focus on these different kinds of emotions that we have and how each and every emotion is so important. हम अगर रो रहे हैं, हम हंस रहे हैं, हम दुखी हो रहे हैं, हम जैसा भी महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो हर एक इमोशन बहुत जरूरी है. तो उसके ऊपर है. और लास्ट सेशन is with Jaya, who is going to do basically a closing of the whole festival. और उसमें हम hope के ऊपर काम करने वाले हैं. So with the help of theater, we are going to work on hope. And I would like to share that how me and Tanvi were having this conversation and how हम कुछ बात कर रहे थे जिसमें ये चीज निकल के आई कि यार ऐसे आसपास लोग, या मतलब हम we were noticing कि कैसे लोग वो hope ही छोड़ रहे हैं. And we were like, it is so important to, you know, keep that hope alive within each and every one of us. So that's how we are closing the whole festival. So you can register and you can get back to us. All the details are there on Facebook, Instagram, on our website, and all of that will be shared in the chat. But Zankna, I'll pass it over to you to share more.
Thank you, Shubham. So beautiful lineup. And for me, Shubham, beyond movement, is this fairy who comes with her magic dust and just sprinkles that magic dust on all of us, which just helps us feel uplifted. So her magic dust has come in the form of this 5-day festival, where she is really, really trying to touch our souls and really get us to a place where we feel aligned. तो हमारा जो वर्ल्ड अभी का है ना, has become very cognitive, बहुत ही माइंड सेंटर्ड हो गया है. हम सिर्फ दिमाग से काम करने में अपने आप को ज्यादा समझदार मानते हैं. We think logic is more important than everything else. So that world, no, is a very divisive world. It separates us. It separates the mind from the body. It separates the logic from creativity. it has separated us from nature, it has separated us from our art. So we no longer move, we no longer paint, we no longer sing, we no longer listen to music, because we are constantly running. We're trying to make life happen. So Shubham has created this beautiful festival, Aham, where you're getting an opportunity to let this division collapse, to let things come and integrate themselves. Because as we integrate ourselves, something beautiful starts happening. The starting point of any integration is integrate kya karna hai. So we need to come into the space of awareness. We need to come in through our awareness. So through art, dance, and various mindfulness modalities, she's offering you a space of awareness which allows you to accept something within yourself. Through awareness and acceptance, you can go into the integration of the self. When that self is aligned, jahan my thinking, feeling, and doing is all coming in the straight line, it's all aligned, that is when that theek hai sab just emerges. Like Dolly shared, right? Ke pata nahi tha, we were trying to do several things, but end mein aise, it just came out from my inner voice, right? Theek hai sab, that became the hook line. And that arises and it emerges when we create that space. When we create the space, when we create the presence. So this festival is that opportunity to create that presence. And somehow when you will integrate the self, you will also find that you have also aligned with the collective. जो हम सब एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, हम nature से जुड़े हुए हैं. So that self is no longer just limited to me, but us. तो वो us का experience, तो वो जो actual aham ka self hai is no longer myself, it's ourselves. And that beautiful experience will just come up. So just this is an invitation to explore that self, come out and see with this, where the self is taking you. So what do we have to do to experience this self? So there are some things that we'd like you to come with when you come for the session. What is the one thing that we'd like is, of course, look after yourself. 5 दिन का session है, working day है. We are very aware of that. कि working day, end of the day, हम आपसे time मांग रहे हैं. But this time is actually a gift to your own self. तो एक honor your own self, create that space and time for yourself. Cut off from what you are doing. और वो space में आने के लिए you arrive into that space. So center yourself, arrive and come into that space. Number 2, bring all parts of you into that space. What is all parts of you? Everything that is you. We are not asking you to become anything to participate in this. आप जैसे हो, ठीक है सब. ऐसे ही आ जाओ. Your thoughts, आपके beliefs, आपके emotions, आपका डर, आपका sadness, आपका गुस्सा, सब चलेगा. All are welcome, all are invited. So let all of you just come and arrive into that space. आपका love, आपका गुस्सा, hatred, आपका gender or sexuality, आपके लोग, आपके plants, आपके pets, आपकी idiosyncrasies, आपके fetishes, सब कुछ invited है. Just bring all parts of you and see where the magic happens. Because when all of you are allowed and invited and welcomed into this space, that is when you are just allowing something to happen. And that something can happen when we can just believe that we can come into this space with that. Abhi ye space mera akele ka nahi hai. It is a space for everyone. So the idea is to create that safety, that safe space, non-judgmental space, jahan dusre log bhi ye sab la sakte hain. So it's not going to be a conversation about right, wrong. It's not going to be a conversation about yes, no. It's going to be just about exploration and experiences. तो वो हम कैसे experiences अपने life में आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. And number 3 is bring your presence. So bring your presence के लिए I'm just going to share one small story with you. What is this presence? All right. So एक बहुत बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी हार्वर्ड में एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल आदमी था. He was really doing extremely well for himself. And he still thought कि मेरे को तो भी peace नहीं मिल रहा है, मेरे को शांति नहीं मिल रही है. मैं इतना सक्सेसफुल हूँ, year after year मेरे को promotions मिल रहे हैं, पर तो भी मेरी लाइफ में मुझे जो inner contentment, inner alignment मिलना चाहिए वो मैं महसूस ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. So he heard about this Zen master somewhere in Japan, who is like known to give you that experience of really coming home to yourself. Zen master like maybe Shubham, और उसका maybe हम academy था, alright? So he heard of it and he said, okay, let me just apply. Only 12 students were taken in every year. He was so confident कि वो 12 student में मेरा number तो लगने ही वाला है. So he decided, चलो मेरा number लगेगा, let me apply. He applied, he got accepted. He was among the 12 students. When he went there, he thought सब एकदम 30 मार खान होंगे. But then when they realized कि छोटे-छोटे कस्बे से, छोटे-छोटे villages से लोग आए हैं, वो 12 में से he was the most qualified. That inflated his ego even more. कि यार मैं तो सबसे better हूँ. मैं तो सारे task कैसे खत्म करूँगा? I am going to top the class. So first semester happened, and पूरे semester सिर्फ उनको toilets clean करने की duty थी. They just had to keep scrubbing the toilets. And he thought, यार मैं तो Harvard graduate हूँ, क्या करा रहे हैं हमारे पास? Why is he not teaching us about life? Why is he not bringing us into that space of enlightenment? When will I get nirvana and all of that? The first semester gets over. The Zen master lines up the 12 students and tells the 12 students that I'm going to promote some of you all, and some of you all will have to repeat the semester. This guy thinks I am a Harvard graduate. These people have come from villages. They are illiterate. वो कैसे promote होंगे और मैं कैसे demote होऊंगा? तो मैं तो पक्का जाने वाला हूँ. One by one, everyone is promoted. When the master comes in front of him, he is demoted. He's asked to stay back, and he's like, ये कैसे हो गया? I did everything right because toilet cleaning में भी मैंने target set करके रखा था. मैं इतने टाइम में fastest toilet cleaner बनूंगा, मैं best toilet cleaner बनूंगा, मैं सब कुछ right करूंगा. ये कैसे हो गया? He said, okay, let me be. Maybe he's a senile old man. मैं एक और semester try कर लेता हूँ. Next semester the same thing happened, and semester after that the same thing happened. He never graduated, and he thought कि something is really wrong. By now he was angry. वो एकदम गुस्से में जाता है master के room में, and he's like, Master, I really want an explanation. ऐसे कैसे वो लोग सब आते हैं गांव से, उनका कोई qualification नहीं है, वो कैसे आगे बढ़ जाते हैं और मैं कैसे यहाँ का यहाँ रह गया हूँ? So that is when the master says, एक काम करो बेटा, there is a cup over here, please pour me a cup of tea. So he says, I'm angry and he's asking me to pour a cup of tea. He goes to the kettle, he thinks कि अच्छा बुड्ढा थोड़ा पगला गया है. He starts pouring him a cup of tea. As he's pouring, when do we stop? Thoda brink tak aane ke pehle he needs to stop. As he stops, the master says, but I didn't ask you to stop. Please continue pouring the cup of tea. So he keeps pouring. Now the tea has overflown into the saucer. It's gone onto the table. Table se leke zameen par girne laga. And he's not letting him stop. So he's like, what's happened? Then he puts the kettle down and he's like, are you senile? Can't you see? The tea is on the floor. You're not letting me stop. Okay, why have I wasted my one whole year over here? So he's like, can't you see? The cup is already full. And if the cup is full, nothing is going to stay inside. It is going to overflow. Similarly, your cup of the mind is already full. It's full of your ideas. It's full of your beliefs. It's full of all that you are bringing into the session. It's full of what you think is going to be the self. It's full of what you think you're going to take away from the session. If you really want to learn something, you need to empty the cup. You need to first let something go for new things to make space inside. You need to get rid of the baggages. So if I try to fill an already full cup, nothing is going to enter in. Are you willing to change? Are you willing to empty the cup of the old? Are you willing to receive the new? And that's a question we'd like all of you all to answer before you all enter into the sessions. Because that change is what is going to allow you to take back something from the session. Like Tanvi said, it's a journey, it's ongoing. But that ongoing can't be layered up with just intellectual knowledge. It happens when I give myself my presence and my experience. And that experience leads to healing when I'm able to be in that stable field of consciousness. So the invitation is really to empty your cup. How about trying to do it? Let's literally take our hands out. Let's literally pour out what we already know into the cup. Let's shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And now start emptying it. पूरा साफ कर दो, empty कर दो, empty कर दो, empty कर दो, empty कर दो. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in. And in that empty space, close your eyes. And just set an intention. आप क्या लेके जाना चाहते हैं? The intention is literally a choice that you're making. ये choose आप करेंगे और वो choice will lead to freedom, because it's not going to be happening to you. You are going to receive it. So just allowing your mind to let that intention set in. Maybe a word, maybe a phrase. मैं क्या लेके जाना चाहती हूँ? And as you try to experience that, जो मैं लेके जाना चाहती हूँ, मेरा intention, just become aware of what is the sensation you feel in your body when you set that intention. आपके शरीर में आपको क्या महसूस होता है जब वो intention fulfill होने वाला है? और थोड़ा subtle level पे notice करें. What is the shape or form your body is taking as you set that intention? आपके body में कैसा क्या shape हो रहा है, क्या form हो रहा है, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आपको अगर जो intention है वो fulfill होने वाला है तो. And if you could give it a color, what would the color be? And if you could just orient yourself to that. Where is your thought, feeling, and sensation taking you? Just being aware of that. Just creating that space for that intention to be held in your body. Breathing in and slowly open your eyes. And as you open your eyes, whatever word comes to your mind, जो भी intention का word या phrase आपके mind में आता है, you can put it on the chat. Anything that comes to your mind. आप हल्के से आंखें खोल के ये रूम में वापस आके you can just express what is it that you want to take away. Maybe some of us feel so deeply connected अपने intention के साथ कि मन ही नहीं कर रहा है वापस आके आँख खोलने का. So slowly invite your consciousness back to yourself. Slowly allow yourself to come back into this space. अपने शरीर में थोड़ा move करके, थोड़ी आँख gently खोल के, आजू बाजू देख के, colors को receive करके. Take a deep breath. And thank you for the ones who are sharing. और कोई share करना चाहते हैं तो वो intention set out करके. शुभम ने जो beautiful पूरा schedule share किया है, आप देख सकते हैं उसमें से आपके intention के लिए कौन सा workshop सबसे जरूरी है, कौन सा workshop आपको वो space create करके दे सकता है. We invite you to end of the day. I think Shubham will share the link. You all can go and just register for that workshop also. So on that note, I just want to leave you all with this one poem that I had written, which is very similar to the whole theme that we are working on. And the poem ka naam is Permission to Heal. So I hope I have the permission to share that poem with you all. And just a second, मैं read करने के लिए I'm just removing the paper. Give me a second. Make visible the invisible and all that's held inside. It flows out from the body if for too long it's held in the mind. We so easily pay attention to illness when physical it is. But what about all the scars, the wounded mind it chills? Draw them out of the shadows and find a way to let release. Bring them up to awareness. Let's acknowledge them, please. Make space and take a pause. Your whole self will emerge. And when you see and hear it, all parts of you will merge. Let your eyes flow out those tears, all the grief stored in for years. From all those emotions buried underneath, you have permission to heal, dear. From all those emotions buried deep underneath, you do have permission to heal, dear. Give yourself permission to heal, dear. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that.
So thank you, and back to you, Shubham. Thank you, everyone. I hope these 5 days are magical for you, not from magical thinking, but something shifts, something happens. And that's my intention I wanted to share. Thank you, Shubham.
You. Huh. So, if anyone, if you have anything that you want to share, you can just unmute yourself. Of course, people are typing in the chat, but if any one of you feels like saying something, so we would love to hear from you as well. We've done a lot of talking.
I'd like to say something. So these sort of practices, right? It takes care of things in the initial stages. It doesn't let you drown. When you are down, these sort of practices help you, come out. Like it's an easy path. It's very much easy path. And if you know that path, you could find yourself in an efficient way. You will not be lost. So this event is really beautiful, Shubham. Well-oriented, well-structured. All the best for it.
Thank you, Abhijit, and thank you for being a part of this journey with all of us. Anyone else who feels like sharing something?
Thank you so much. This event was so beautiful. And I think this has been my first time to movement arts, and I really enjoyed it. It's back to, you know, awakening the child in you, where you know, you just lose your inhibition and just do whatever you feel like. This is the first time, and I look at the uh, you know, the schedules, and I will try to join in for the movement art. Um, it's beautiful. I think I will find my inhibition where I think I am lost a bit. I'll find my way back to being buoyant. Thank you so much. Beautifully put together.
Thank you for sharing. Anyone else who feels called out? Yes.
If nobody is speaking, then I would like to add, I have been to Vipassana twice, and I have experienced that, and it takes you closer to yourself, and, you know, thing. But movement art is something that I really loved.
As Yasmin said, it is really something. I'm a mental health therapist, so I know this stuff, how long it goes, you know, how deep it is rooted, and how important, very much important. But you know, this should be part of the everyone's life. You know, these alternative means of venting oneself, you know, this should be part of everyone's life. So you'll not be in a super dark space before you even know, you know, you'll be aware that you are venturing into a dark space, and you can come out. So these practices, you know, much power to these practices, and they are all integrated into a single space, this festival. So yeah, looking forward.
Hi everyone, this is Chaitali here. Really sorry I couldn't keep my video on because we are facing some network issues. But really congratulations to the entire team. I'm deeply touched with the intention of the team to spread so much happiness and positivity, and to provide these very basic but essential tools to everyone. I think I agree with Abhijit. We all go through our phases in life, and though many times we are aware of what we need to do, but still, coming back to the quick story, there will be something which will just put you off, and then you just don't know, you're a little lost. So, attending workshops like these definitely help you equip yourself with many more tools which will help you sail through these difficult times. And it is not just going through the session once, but it needs to become a part of your lifestyle where you're going back to these tools each and every day, every time you have an issue, and you react the way you react, and then you become aware of what you're doing and what you're saying, and think of an alternative means. Could I have handled this the other way? So definitely believe in that, and all the best to the entire team. I'm definitely going to enroll in a few sessions. I've already identified a few that I would love to enroll to. But just keep spreading the positivity and happiness.
Yeah.
I would, can I share something?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I mean, time should permit. I'm just like curious about that one. So, anyway, so basically, I just wanted to add something that Abhijit shared and Yasmin shared. And something that is very alive in me since a while is the fact that how education is given importance in our growth. It's always like right from childhood, you said if you study, you will be doing so much better in life. If you know, study hard, then this can happen, that can happen. You know, all these options that open up because of education is what people say. You know, somewhere I realized in this entire journey that I've had with movement all this while is that no one really right from the childhood actually told you that, you know, if you also love yourself, it would also open a lot of possibilities for you. You know? And as a 35-year-old male right now, I feel the most need for the generation that is coming to be equipped with these tools to come to not really feel the way I feel as a 35-year-old guy. Like, I have a lot of issues and I am dealing with it every day. And I realize that if when I was 15, if I was 5, if I was 10, if I knew that, you know, meditative art or any sort of art form or any sort of just dancing for that matter, you know, would have healed me through all the possible moment, the trauma that I had in that moment, I wouldn't have piled it up all these years. So I feel I feel there's so much of need for such space, and such spaces to be available at the earliest possible stages. As you would think that a kid should start learning ABCD in junior KG, senior KG, or whatever level of, or whatever year you think that a cognitive mind starts developing to study. I think all these tools also should be made available at that time, not in the form of education. Like even art for that matter has been taught to us as a form of education, and you know, you are just told that if you don't have that streak of getting a straight line, you can't be an artist. And that's where most of the people who probably would have become an artist in the future, or probably just learned art to keep themselves sane, lose that opportunity to learn that possibility. So yeah, I mean, that's why I feel that there's a need for such spaces, and I'm really glad that I've been associated with this place, with this space and this project for this whole year. And in many ways, it has been transformative. In many ways, it has challenged me in the way I think. It does challenge me every day, and hopefully there would be, you know, a lot of transformation in me through whatever I've experienced here and whatever happens in the future in the project. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share.
Thank you, Kalpesh. Very, very pertinent points. And I'm part of the education space, and I can't tell you how real this is. कि हम लोग इतना अलग हो जाते हैं और फिर in our whole adult life we are trying to undo and unlearn and go back to the, but yes, very, very important. And these kind of initiatives, and you know, people who believe in this are coming together. So I believe a lot in cosmic energies, and you know, people getting together for a reason. So I think shift is happening, and I'm living with that hope. So is there any
Adding something, Tanvi, to what Kalpesh said, education is a word drawn from a Latin word called educo. Educo was nothing but drawing from within. But it is, in today's time, it is not drawing from within, but education means it is filling you in by saying that you need to have a certain kind of a house, you need to have certain kind of a car, you need to have certain kind of clothes to be in the society. I think that's why there is a lot of mess everywhere.
It's shifted, yes.
And even like to my age, when I see somebody dancing, I go with my jaw dropped and I just look like that, because I just feel, I just get so mesmerized in that to see how they dance so beautifully and so gracefully, because we were never allowed to dance. We were said dancing is bad. You know, I think that's why we have that inhibition today. We feel still at this age, we do everything. But when you say dance, you feel shy. I just did that when you said, you know, do this and this. I did it. I felt so good. I felt really good. I mean, I'm glad I was here on this Zoom call today because Kalpesh sent me the link, and that's how I was here. So thank you, Kalpesh. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are glad too, Yasmin. So glad that you could be a part of this.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. A beautiful initiative, I can say. Lovely.
Yasmin ji has definitely reminded me of a very old film called Khoobsurat. I'm sure a lot of members over here would remember the film where Sasikala is a dancer and she is married into a family where the mother-in-law doesn't like, she's quite a disciplinarian and she's not able to perform or, even dance for herself. And there are times when she locks her up in her bedroom and she performs for her own self. So as she rightly mentioned, it is dance was always looked at in a very bad light.
Yes, at a very bad light.
Not
I
understanding
remember.
that it was not just for others, but it was also for your own self. So it is definitely a form of expression, and it is you may want to just dance for your own self and not necessarily for others.
I
So
remember 35. Yeah, I remember 35 years, 30, roughly 30, 25, 30 years ago. My daughter used to dance when I don't see. She used to, and then when I walk into the room, she would stop. I said, no, do it. I didn't do it. You do it. I would be her audience. I used to clap for her and said, do it. It's very important because then you let yourself go.
The permission to express yourself.
Yes, it's a permission to express
And
yourself.
it's beyond good and bad. It's beyond graceful dance and bad dance. It's just about that space of letting yourself out there.
Yes, very true.
So,
Get so caught up in a good dancer and a bad dancer and good
Yeah, at times I think people, you think people will notice if you're not a good dancer. Of course, I I think I have both left feet. I can't. And also the inhibition pushed right from the small age. I think it gets very difficult for you to
integrated
actually do that. So I think more forums like this where nobody is watching, just be yourself, just do whatever you want.
and the same goes for drawing. So so many of us feel that, oh, I don't want to pick up the pencil because I don't know how to draw, or maybe what I draw will not be appealing. But it's more about the process that you are going through rather than making it appealing for others.
Very
so if
true.
you have achieved something from whatever you put on paper, even if it was a scribble, that itself is good enough for you. So again, how many of us realize that? So it's beautiful how all these forms, different forms of art, or even music for that matter, we've had when we are feeling low, we prefer to listen to a particular kind of music. Or when you want to be a little more energized, then you prefer to listen to a particular kind of music. So we all know how it plays a role subconsciously on our state of mind. And it's beautiful how you all are getting all these art forms together and putting it out in the open so that whoever resonates with whichever art form can take it up and use it as a medium of self-expression.
True.
That's beautiful.
Thank you for putting it so beautifully, Chaitali, that it is all just a form of self-expression, just finding what will resonate with us and using that. And just something which really is alive with me is it's a really an ongoing thing. And I remember I had heard about this from one of the initial times when I had started some self work, and there is a tendency of giving up. Oh, this is not working. Why must I deep dive? Why must I sit with ourselves? Okay, art hasn't worked, dance hasn't worked, nothing is working, so forget it, let's get on with our everyday. But there's a lovely Tibetan saying which says, in the beginning nothing comes, in the middle nothing stays, but in the end nothing leaves.
Wow.
So making it really a part of us, a part of our lives, a part of our routine, a part of who we are, a part of brushing. It's like brushing, it's like bathing, it's like eating. This is just a part of us. And once it becomes a part of us, it won't leave. So if this is a starting off journey, I would really just, urge you, everyone, and since our intention right from the beginning, when Shubham shared about Ahem, the intention was very clear. We just want to reach as many people as we can in terms of bringing them closer to themselves. So this is just, it's that we should just not give up on this journey and not stop this process. It is just ongoing, and once it is a part of us, it never does leave. It just becomes who you are.
I just came across a post today. It says, we all think we have two lives. And when it begins, you start to realize you have one life. Because we are so caught up. We think we have two lives. Some people, I think they have even more lives because they think they want to do everything and not give time to themselves.
So thank you. I think this place was really magical. I'm also
Thank you
mindful
so much.
of time. So let's close. Shubham, any final thoughts? We've covered everything that we needed to. Okay, so I just want to close with an open invitation to finding way to yourself, either through Aham or through any other modality, but just having that intention and finding that beauty there within, the joy within, and all the tools, all the ammunition we need. Not that we're going for war, but whatever we need to live is all inside of us. Questions as well as the answers. So let's just find them. So thank you, each one of you, for being here to join, to making this so awesome and a beautiful start to this week. And we hope to run into each one of you at some point in some sessions or something. So let's be in touch through the week.